Oh yeah, it's your boy, Chef Yaboyardee with Cooking Now. That's Cooking right there. And I'm about to make this salad. And y'all stay tuned. That's all I got to say. I'm fucking starving. So I found this recipe on a site called Recipe Lion. I always get these recipes in my inbox or email, and I just keep them sometimes. I print them out and all that. But I decided today, along with Cookie Monster, hey, let's fuck around and do something. So she's in there chilling, watching some crazy ass show that you can hear in the background, and I'm about to make this. All right, so it says here to whisk the mayonnaise, Parmesan, sour cream, lemon juice, Worcestershire, garlic, half tablespoon salt, and a few grains of pepper together in a large bowl. So let me go ahead and do that. Still whisking. Still whisking. While the bowl moves. Now the directions here say add the pasta to the boiling water and blah, 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 blah. But we're putting this in the microwave for 60 seconds. Dirty ass microwave. So now we're taking this, and it says to, man, this is hot. It says to drain this and add cool water. So I'm gonna do both. A little cool water in there. It's draining, and I'm running some cool water over it. Now I'm saying to add it to the dressing. So now what we're supposed to do is heat oil in a medium skillet over medium-high heat. And do that until it shimmers. Add the shrimp, salt, and a few grains of pepper. Stirring occasionally until the shrimp is pink and just cooked through about 3 minutes. We love shrimp here. Is this supposed to be medium? We went large. Your problem? Oh yeah. I remember my daughter had put a post up, and it was about T'Challa, and he had all these marks on him, and he was fighting another person, and they had the same marks. And T'Challa's thing was, where did you get the marks on him were how many people he killed. How many people did you kill? And if I could find it, I will put it up. He had said kill, and it showed that the night before he was cooking some chicken, I think, and all the grease was popping on his skin. If I can find it, I'm gonna put that on there. Let's get back to the grub. So I put some of that salt and pepper on here, and I'm using the same spoon I made the dressing with. That's what you're saying. It's all going to the same place, right? Yeah, baby. You know what I'm saying, baby? It's getting there. Just because I'm a little bored, I'm stirring this up. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this yet, but I'm stirring it up now. Hey, hell. Waiting on this scrimp. Actually, maybe I should just go to the next steps, huh? What do you think? Maybe I should go to the next steps. Chopped up some celery while I'm waiting on this to turn pink. Chopped up the 2 tomatoes while I'm waiting for this to pink up. Still chopping these while this finishes this little ass up. I think it's safe to say these are done. Time to add them to the mixture. So yeah, what I did is I went ahead, did the celery, the romaine lettuce, tomatoes. I already threw them in there. Time to throw these jokers up in that bitch. All right, then it says to like mix all this up. So you're seeing the beginning. Let's see what the end look like. So Cookie liked hers. Now I'm gonna try mine. Oh yeah. Yep.
This is a nice summer salad.
Yeah, it is. The ingredients say it's good to try it, taste it right away. It actually tastes like Caesar salad. If you're a fan of Caesar salad, you'll like this. Tastes like Caesar salad, and the shrimp. Oh yeah.
It's light, it's fresh. Definitely a nice summer salad. Filling.
Yeah. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. No, get out of my face.